Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix blue screen error on your Windows 10 and Windows 11, and the error code you can see is WFP invalid operation. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the blue screen error and the error code is WFP invalid operation on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is you just need to click on search menu. You just need to click on search menu, then type here verifier. You can see here verifier. Right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you can see you have to select as create a standard settings, then click on next. Select automatically select unsigned drivers, click on next. Then it will check for the unsigned drivers. You can see no unsigned drivers has been found. If it is found, then it will fix automatically. After trying this, still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Just type here cmd, right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Then here you need to type sfc space /scan now, then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hope your issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix blue screen error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.